Comes, folks. Race woman, kayak queen, rock star. Okay. Can you tie up here for a little while? I'll have a beer and then I'll do a photo op.